So that has OHSU reopening a testing clinic it shut down just a few months ago at the Portland Expo Center. Tim Gordon reports.
Reopened and testing for COVID. Starting Wednesday, the drive-through clinic at the Expo Center is again serving the community.
It's going very well. You know, day one, we get working out the kinks. Everybody who has shown up, we've been able to test.
The site closed in June because the need had dropped, but a huge summertime surge of the Delta variant changed everything, according to OHSU's Debbie Lamberger.
We've seen an increase in exposures and positive cases and suspected cases, and it's incredibly important that people get tested and know whether they need to be isolating and quarantining so that we can avoid any further exposures.
This time it is by appointment, although they'll squeeze walk-ins in if they can. At full capacity, the clinic can test about 4,000 people a week, running Monday through Friday. The need is there.
I think finding testing has been harder than finding vaccine right now. Yes.
There are other testing options, from your doctor or healthcare provider to public health clinics to testing at pharmacies across Oregon. But it's not easy to book right now. I put my information in and looked for local appointments at Walgreens and found very few or no appointments available. Their website said due to high demand, availability is limited. The tests being administered by OHSU are the ones where the swab goes up your nose. The PCR tests are most accurate, and you should usually get results back within 48 hours. They're free and for anyone 2 months or older.
As a low barrier site, are not limiting who we test. Anyone who thinks they've been exposed, anyone who needs to get tested for work, for travel, we are trying to meet all the needs of the community, whatever they might be for testing.
And with the need up, the same team that delivered tests here before is back at it. So we've got all the information on the Expo Center Clinic and booking an appointment at kgw.com. And one other interesting note, that while this clinic is set up for testing only, they say they could pivot to include vaccinations as well, should the need arise. And I'm sure that they would love that, because the more people getting vaccinated, the sooner this thing gets better. Tim Gordon, KGW News.